Welcome back. Today, I'm going to take this wooden shipping container and I'm going to make a mini greenhouse with it. I'm constantly looking for things like this. I found this box actually on the side of the road. Somebody was throwing it away. Looks like somebody's used it for a toy box or looks like an art palette. What I'm going to do is I'm going to line this box with some plastic weed barrier that you put in your flower gardens or in gardening areas, just to sort of help with protecting the wood from the dirt. I'm also going to drill some holes in the bottom so that water can go through. I have framed out a rectangle for the top and I'm going to hinge it. I'm going to take some PVC and create arches over the top of the lid in order to have some more height in here where my plants can get a little bit taller. Let's get started. What I've got here, I've got some 1-inch screws. I've also got some 2-hole 1/2-inch straps that I'm going to use to mount my PVC to the frame. Got a couple packs of those. I've got my measuring tape, 1/2-inch CPVC pipe. This stuff is really flexible. Regular PVC is not as flexible. You want to make sure to get CPVC 1/2-inch for this. I'm looking at about 4 feet, so I'm going to cut these into 4 feet sections. planter box done. I'm real pleased with how well this has turned out. I've already got some things in here. I've took and planted some seeds in here that have already sprouted. I've transplanted some of my plants that I had started inside into the box, and I'm also housing some plants I've already picked up from the local gardening center. I finished the outside with some pallets that I cut up. I cut some boards off some pallets, and I've finished the outside, make it look a little rustic. I love finding something like this on the side of the road, constantly making my husband pick up things that I find and creating things with them. But I'm real pleased with this project, and I hope to use it for many years to come. I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below. This has been Gardening with Tracy. Thanks for watching.